This is world's first MagSafe compatible CF Express B recording module for your iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max. But of course you can use this with your Mac, you can use this with your iPad, you can use this with your PC, Android, you can use it with your Panasonic S5 Mark II X, some Blackmagic or Fujifilm cameras, anything that supports USB-C recording. And if you like what you see, there is a giveaway, so stick around, I'll be explaining how to enter that giveaway towards the end of the video. This CF Express Type B recording module supports USB-C 3.2 generation 2x2 and speeds up to 20 gigabytes per second. It is USB-C bus powered, so it doesn't need extra power source to run. The design of the recording module dissipates heat and it is very sturdy. Also, if you like, you can get the SD card version. It comes with 5-inch USB 3.2 cable that fits nicely to your iPhone. It is made in Austria. It has 3-year limited warranty and it costs $99.99. So I guess the question is it any good? Well, the thing is, this thing is engineered and designed by Angelbird and Condor Blue. And they're very prestigious brands. Angelbird is from Austrian Alps and they make storage media like SD cards, CF Express Type A, Type B, or the media I use with my Atomos Ninja 5. When it comes to Condor Blue, they're from Los Angeles, California, and they make high quality cinema accessories for professionals. And I use them excessively here and they're actually really good. Condor Blue also supports upcoming new content creators like Justine Armando from Mondo Bytes and Gerald of Canada. You probably never heard of them. I've never heard of them. Joking aside, when Condor Blue reached out and asked to make a sponsored video, I immediately jumped on it because I knew this was gonna be good. Ever since Apple released iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max, all of us have been losing our minds about the fact that we can record externally 4K 60 frames per second video in ProRes HQ in Apple log mode. What that means is we're getting the best quality out of this phone, best quality video out of this phone possible. And it's being recorded to an external media, which means we can transfer it to our computer or whatever we're gonna work on as fast as we can. Or for example, you don't want to waste the space on your device or you don't have enough space on your device, you can use an external storage and record as you wish. Since this is a professional solution, which means you're taking your job professionally when you show up to your client, because there are a lot of client work out there now where they want the footage to be shot on an iPhone. This is a thing. We want the iPhone look. So if you show up to your client like this, it's gonna look much more professional. This device brings a versatile and a professional solution for your external recording. You can mount this easily on your iPhone. And this, by the way, it goes through the fine woven case. The cable goes through fine woven case. If you don't know, that was one of the issues with fine woven case. So that works there. This cable is, the length is nice enough to have this properly mounted on the phone. The magnet is okay. It's strong enough to stay on the phone. First of all, what you can do is you can take this off and now you have this module that you can mount anywhere. You can mount this if you want to use your iPhone with a cage, or if you want to mount other stuff on it like external lenses, microphones, maybe a cooling system, and you want to put this somewhere else. You can mount a shoe mount on this and then mount it on that cage as you wish. They thought about all sorts of solutions here. And it doesn't stop there as well, because this is a CF Express Type B, the transfer speeds are super fast. So what that means is when you're recording from your phone to this device, there's a lot of headroom. You don't need to worry about any hiccups, any dropped frames. And when it comes to transfer this footage to your computer, it's going to transfer super fast, so you can move your footage as fast as you can and then go back and use it. And the interesting thing is, this consumes less power from your phone compared to my SSD solution, which is very impressive. When it comes to heat, I didn't experience any overheating using iPhone's own camera app. I was able to record for 1 hour and 18 minutes in 4K 60 frames per second ProRes HQ Apple log while the module was mounted on the iPhone. And the reason recording stopped is because iPhone ran out of battery. The build quality, we don't even need to talk about build quality because this is what you would expect from Condor Blue. Seriously, anything I buy from them seems like it's gonna last forever. This thing also has these rubberized feet here. So even when it's magnetized, it's not gonna scratch your phone if that's something you're gonna be worried about. And when you place it on a desk like that, it grips on the desk a little for you, which is always nice compared to sliding left and right. I'm still working on my iPhone review, and I think I'm gonna start using this because this seems like a great solution when it comes to recording externally. All right, now let's talk about giveaway. So if you want one of these bad boys, what you have to do is follow me, Condor Blue, and Angel Bird on Instagram, and I'm gonna post a photo like this, or maybe like this. Who knows? Once you see that photo, drop a comment and you'll be entering the raffle. And the winner of the raffle will be selected on December 21st. If you know me, you know that I don't do giveaways. I don't like giveaways, but I like this product and I think you may enjoy it. I hope you win it. I hope you win this. Yes, I hope you do. Well, thank you very much for watching this episode and I hope you enjoyed it. And let me know what you think about this external recording. What is your external recording solution? Let me know in the comments below. And until I see you the next time, take really good care of yourselves. And hoşça kalın.